Welcome back, lovelies, to Simply Grace. I'm Grace, and I'm so happy to have you here today. Today, I got in the mail my Fudenosuke, let's go with that, brush pens. They just came out over the past couple weeks with these pens now in colors, yes! So I use this pen all the freaking time, but I have a black one that I am obsessed with. I've had it for a little over a year now, and I use it for all my small hand lettering in my book. For example, let me go to this page right here on my films to watch. I did that with my black Fudenosuke right here. I actually colored in these thick black lines with my Fudenosuke brush. So I'm super excited to have it now in colors, and I'm actually going to use this purple one today for a podcast collection I'm going to work on. If you're hearing some noise in the background, that is my washer and dryer because today is Saturday and that is when I get all the cleaning done. So I apologize for that sound, but I was just too excited when this came in. Funny story first. So I was cleaning and I sat down for a little bit, probably a little bit longer than a little bit. And I heard my ring alarm go off on my phone and I saw that the mailman just arrived and I was like, yes! So I ran out there super quick in my really rough, comfy clothes, not looking that attractive, and I open up my mailbox, grab the package. I'm like, ooh, there's nothing in here. Look at the top, it's open. So I put on some shoes over top of my slippers, start running down the let's see, I was going around the yards yelling, Mr. Mailman, sir! Mr. Mailman, sir! And this dude looks around and he's like, hello? I'm like, I'm sorry, I don't know your name, but my package is empty and I need them. And he's like, oh, are they markers? And I'm like, face palm to the face. Yes, they're markers. These are way more than markers, just saying. He said he saw them outside of the package, but didn't know what package they belonged to, so he left them at the post office. Post office is closed, but he went ahead and called them and they let me in, and bam, I got them. So let's go ahead and open this sucker up and get to going. Now, as of right now, from what I saw, these are not on Amazon yet, but they are on the Tombow website. So there are 10 colors, including black and gray. And I'm excited because I believe my black one is starting to get a little low. So let's just go ahead and we're going to start with red and work our way down. Whoa. Okay, let's see if I can get this too. Can you please? There we are. So here is the pen. Take it off. There is the brush. It is the hard tip, I believe, which is wonderful. This feels a little more plasticky than my, you know what? I'm gonna go get my regular one. Hold on. And I'm back. Okay, so comparing the original with the new, this has a more plasticky, shiny finish. This is more, honestly, this feels a little more sturdy and is a matte finish, but I'm sure the product is just as wonderful. So back to these. Can I zoom you guys in a little bit closer? Oh, dang. There we go. So just do a little dot here, and my Fudenosuke red. I don't know how to spell it, so I just did F-U-D real quick. Just a real regular line. And so I'm rolling up and down. Up. Yes, Kit. Yeah. Looks good. It's a nice pale red. I like that. It's not too harsh of a red, so that's going to be super handy. Time for some orange. My lettering is not good right now. I'm just going with it because I'm too excited. Boop, boop, boop. Let's do a thin line too. There we go. Sounds like the heater just came on. No bleed through. And this is my Leuchtturm book, in case you haven't seen my previous videos. This is Leuchtturm. I will link down below the link to get these pens. Pretty much all my supplies are always linked down below. Ooh, this is a nice yellow. Kind of hard to see though, but I mean, it's yellow, so I kind of expect that. Nice. No, not even any ghosting on that yellow. It's so pale. All right, green, my favorite color. Green, 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 green. Ooh, that's a nice green. I feel like I see this. I did red right there. Lord have mercy upon my soul. That is not red. That is orange. Oh well. I feel like I see the pen tip able to move a little bit easier on this one. I don't know if that's just me or what. I might compare. You know what? I'm going to compare the original here in a little bit with all these when I get them done. Because the black is going to be the last color anyways. Blue. Ooh, my lettering is so rough right now. That's okay. This is all for fun. I do this because I have fun with it, not because I believe I am the best at it. Totally not the best at it. But I still enjoy it and I have fun with it, and that's what matters. I use this as like my little stress-free, relaxing time. Well, honey. Ooh, this is a really pretty purple. Boom, 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 boom. Color those. A little bit of ghosting, no bleed through. Wonderful. Pink. E is the next. What? Well, honey. Be interesting to compare these two. For Christmas, I'm requesting these pintail pens that have a similar tip that come in colors, and I requested those before I knew about these, but I still want them because there's more colors. And it'll be interesting to compare the two. That'll probably be another video. Woo! Yep. Looking good, looking good. Oh no! I got it. We're good. If you are a pro hand letterer, please don't judge me. I'm sort of just blasting through it because I'm just excited to play with them, honestly. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Two more. We got gray next, which, y'all, I can feel like I can use my gray all the time. Oh yeah. Here, my kitty. Well, honey. She's now climbed on top of the room divider. She likes to get up there and pull her tail and be all kinds of silly. All right, now with the black, and then I'll do a comparison with the original black. Ooh, I just looked up in the little camera viewer and these colors look so freaking good. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay. Such a good black. Boom. Alright, so now let's compare the new black to the old black. This is now the original black. And like I said, I've had this pen for over a year and it's still working great for me. Yeah, this is a little bit stiffer, which I kind of like that a little bit more, but I'm sure I'll be able to get used to the thinner. My washer and dryer are just all kinds of nonsense loud, aren't they? Yeah, I feel like I have a little bit more control with the original one, but I mean, it looks great. Well, I mean, it doesn't look great. I mean, like, the colors look great. My hand lettering today, not so great, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm just having fun with it. So, that is my pen test of the new Fudenosuke colored pens. So excited to use these more. Definitely going to be using the purple one later today when I work on my collection of podcasts. And I'll then, once I get all my collections and I decide I wanted to do into, or when I get them all done, I think I'm going to do a little flip through video. I thought about doing a video showing you making them, but I really just wanted that time to myself to just enjoy journaling by myself, which I know we can all enjoy. Okay, hello. Can we please just get back into the perfect way you were when I first opened you? Probably not. Oh yeah! Alright, so thanks y'all for popping by. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless, and see you next time. Bye!